mean. Okay, let's start. Hello, 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 hello. Wow,
No, in the beach.
you're in the beach. Wow, that's cool. How about you, Namkan? You are in the, where are you right now? Jangmin is in the beach. Okay, so now, are you ready? Are you both ready for our new lesson for today?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So after this lesson, so we will have a new game. So if we finish this lesson for today, so we will take our
Ba
game.
ba
Okay.
bamboo game.
Yes, it's a
Yeah,
bamboozle game.
bamboo.
You will fight with each other again. But let's listen attentively so that you can answer all of those in the game. Okay, so let's start with our lesson for today. So, what is the title? Or what
Sprouting. Sprouting.
it's? We
It is
call.
sprouting.
Okay, good try. So, let's say spring.
Spring.
Very good. Good job, Jang. So this is spring. How about you, Nam? How how do you read this one? This is spring. Very good. This is spring. And what can you see in the picture? What can you see in the picture?
I can see flowers.
Very good. I can see flowers. How many flowers are there in the
It is
picture?
four.
Very good. It is four. What are the colors of
It
these
is red.
flowers?
It's orange, red, yellow, and purple.
Very good. Wow, you are so active today, Jang. How about you, Nam? Nam. Oh, teacher cannot hear you. I think there's a problem with your microphone. Okay, let's go with our next page. What do we call this weather or this season? We
Season.
Yes, we call it as
Sprouting.
good try. Let's say spring. Spring. Let's say one more time. Spring, spring, spring.
Spring, 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 spring.
Very good. That's a lot. Good job. How about Nam? How are you today? Is Nam sad today? Nam?
It's
He is not moving.
it's the
Oh
huh?
no. Nam left.
Thing.
I think
Nam is passing.
I think there is a problem with his internet connection. That is why. Oh, he's
Okay.
he's there. Nam, are you okay now? Oh. Oh no. What animal are you? What
This
animal?
is a bird.
Is it a bird or is it a fox? Oh no. Oh, what are you? Okay, so now let's go with our next picture. What do we call this?
A rose.
It's a rose. Is it a rose or a tulip?
It's rose.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Is it? What is it now? It is. Let's look if it's a tulip or a rose. So this one is a tulip.
It's a rose.
Are you sure?
Tulip.
This one is a tulip and this This is, oh, rose. Is it a tulip or a rose?
It's a rose.
No. Are you sure?
Yes. Rose.
It's a tulip. So
Yes.
look at the picture of the tulip.
Rose. Rose.
I can see you, Nam. Oh no, I can see you. You are wearing a filter. Okay, so what do we call this? What do we call? Yes, this is.
A tulip.
What do we
This
call?
is
What
a tulip.
starts with letter F?
Flowers.
Very good. It's a flowers or flower? With S or without S?
No S.
No
It's a
S.
stem.
It's a stem. Very good. Wow.
It's a
Good
stem.
job. This is a stem. Good job. This is the flower because it is only one flower. So next, let's go with this animal. What do we call this animal?
It is a bird.
It is a bird. Very good. It is a bird. How about this?
It is a rabbit.
A rabbit. Very good. And what
A
is
rabbit.
very good, Nam? What is the name of the rabbit or the small
It is a
rabbit?
bunny.
Very good. It is a bunny because it is small. How
Bunny.
about good job. So next, what do we call this?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Very good. A
Rainbow.
it is a
Rainbow. This
rainbow.
rain. This is a ball.
It is a bow.
Rainbow.
O-
Rain. A ball.
Okay, next. What do we call this weather?
It is rainy.
It's rainy. Very good. It's the
It is
rain.
rainy.
It's rainy.
This
Next.
is a bike.
It is a bike.
This
Very
is a motorbike.
motorbike.
Yes.
Yes. Next one. What do we call this one?
Football.
Is
A
it a
big ball.
is it a ball? It's a
It's
ball.
big. A football. Super big.
Is it a football or
No,
soccer ball?
Soccer. Football. Soccer ball.
It
Is
what is it?
fun.
What?
It's badminton.
Badminton? No, it's not a badminton. Badminton,
Fun. Ball.
badmin,
It's big.
badminton is not a ball. So let's take a look with the soccer ball.
Soccer
It's
ball.
how about the
It's a soccer ball.
football? It's the same.
Oh!
What do we call them?
Shoe. It's Ronaldo.
Okay, so we can call them both as soccer ball and
Vito, where
football.
Ronaldo? Where is Ronaldo?
Orlando. Later, we will see Orlando. Okay, next, let's take a look with this picture. What is this?
It's a super ball.
It's a super ball.
Super ball.
What is the color of the
Super
ball?
It is orange and black.
Is it orange? Or your
And
shirt
black.
or your shirt is orange? Jang's shirt is orange.
Yeah, no. No.
It's color black and white. I cannot see you now.
Tito.
You remove the filter.
You can see the. Goo goo gaga. You can see me now.
No.
It's goo goo gaga.
Goo
Tito.
gaga. I cannot
You
still.
can see me.
No, I can still not see you. It's fuller. It's color black and white. Do you
What the dog doing?
do you like balls?
Yes, I am
Yeah.
bouncing. What? Yes, I want bouncing. Okay. Two quadrillion.
2 quadrillion. Quadrillion. Let's say quadrillion.
Quadrillion.
Very
Bye,
good.
teacher.
It's too early. It's too early. Oh no. How about you, Nam?
Oh, wait.
Do you like balls, Nam? Yes or no?
Yes. No.
Oh, 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 you like soccer ball? How about
Tossing.
you like what? Your microphone
Tossing.
your microphone is cutting off. Teacher cannot hear you clearly. Can you
I
speak?
said
Can,
I want.
you want? Can you speak
What?
loud? Can you speak loudly? Teacher cannot hear you.
I like. Don't like.
I like
The ball can fly. The teacher can fly. The computer can fly. The
you
book can fly. The eater can fly. The sun is can fly.
I cannot hear Nam. Oh
Cheetah.
no. Yes,
Yes.
you
Yes.
like soccer ball?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Wow,
No.
very good. You like football?
No. No. I like bouncing ball.
Teacher cannot hear you, Nam. Oh, your voice, it's cutting off. You're like choppy.
I like
I,
chocolate.
you like chocolate. I think it's your signal, Nam. Okay,
I like
next.
toy. I like
N-
the poops.
You like poops? No, it's dirty.
Yes, I like poops.
It's dirty. Okay, let's go with our next object. What do we call this? What are these?
A bike.
It
A
is?
bike. A
Is it?
motorbike.
It is
A
a motorbike?
motorbike. Motorbike.
Motorbike? Let's practice. Motor.
Motorbike.
Very good. Good job. How about you, Nam? What is this? What is this, Nam? It is this a motorcycle or a bike?
It is Lamborghini.
Lamborghini. Lamborghini. Let's say Lamborghini.
Lamborghini.
Very good. How about you, Nam? What is this? It is the
You going that?
it's the teacher
You
cannot
going that?
you go in chat. Okay.
Soccer bag.
It, oh, is there a soccer bike? Soccer bike. Oh, there is a soccer bike. I can see it.
It's
Wow.
Monday bike.
It is
A Monday bike.
motorbike. Let's say motor.
Monday.
What is that?
Monday. Monday bike.
Mon
It's Monday. Now. MOND. That's
Monday bike. You you only ride a bike on Mondays?
Monday. No. It's
Why is it a Monday bike?
Monday bike. Monday.
Monday?
Yes,
How,
Monday bike.
oh, money or Monday? How do you spell that one?
Monday. Money.
Oh, money. Let's say money.
Money.
Very good, money. It is a money bike. Okay, now let's go with their colors. What are their colors of the bike?
It is black, orange, yellow, blue, brown, and
And what?
and gray.
Very good. Good job. So the color of the wheels are gray. So good job. How about you, Nam? Okay, let's go with our. What did you say? Can you chat your answer? Teacher cannot somehow hear you.
Um,
Okay, so now let's go with our next one. What are these? These are the. What are these? What animals are these? These are the. These are the what? Hmm. What are these? What animals are these? Namkan, Jangmin. What animals are these? Hmm. Your microphone is not audible. J- Namkan. At na. Can you speak again? Nam? Nam. Okay, what animal is this?
it is.
It is. It is what? It is
It is a
the
bird.
the birds. Very good. And how many birds are there? How many birds are there in the branches of the tree? How many?
It is one. It's 1,000.
This is 1,000?
Yes.
Let's count. One. Can you count
One,
up to can you count up to
one,
1,000?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25,
How many? How many birds?
25.
There are? Oh, okay,
There
let's
are
try.
25.
There are 25 birds. How about you, Nam? How
Why?
many?
Why, teacher?
What?
There are
There are? How many?
100.
There are 125. There are 10.
1,250.
Okay, let's say it in a sentence. Let's say it in the sentence. There are 1,250 birds. Let's say the sentence. There are 1,000.
I can see 3 bars.
You can see
3 bars.
three birds. Very good. So let's say there are
33 bars.
33 birds. Okay. What are the colors of the bird in the picture? Is color. What's the color of the birds? Color? What's
Brown,
Brown?
White. No, blue.
Where is the blue? Where is the
Yellow.
bluebird? There is no bluebird. Can you
Yellow.
circle?
Orange.
Very good. Wow, good job. Now, yellow, blue, yellow, and orange. Okay. So now, Jang, can you tell teacher where is the bluebird? Where is the bluebird in the picture? You are drawing a bird.
Yes,
Okay.
a
Huh?
bird.
That is not a bird. Okay, so very good. Good job to the both of you. So let's
Herobrine. It is Herobrine.
it is okay, so next let's go with our next one. What do we call these objects? These are what are these? These are the what are these? Hmm. These are the what are these? Hmm. Hello? Are there any people here? What are this? What do we call these objects in the picture? What do we call? Okay, I will remove your
Flowers.
very good. Okay, let's
No, it is eight.
okay, let's say it in a complete sentence. Let's say these are the
These
flowers.
are flower. The flower S.
Good job. SOS. What is SOS?
Is help me, Tita, help me, SOS.
Yes, very good. SOS. So we say this one if we need help, especially at the beach or in the beach. So most of the people, if they are stranded in the beach, so they write SOS. Wow, good job that you are knowledgeable. I can see the birds. Where? Where is the Okay, so next. What colors are there? Or what colors can you see in the flowers? There are there are red. What are the colors?
Yeah.
There are red, purple. No. Why no? Okay,
Green.
let's say the sentence. Green, very good.
Green.
What is the color green? What do we call this one?
Is is a is a Cali.
What do we call that one? It is
It is Cali.
what's Cali?
It is California.
California. It's it's a place, not
See?
a
No, it is California.
it's not California. California is a place, not
California, not in Vietnam.
have you gone to California?
No, California is Vietnam.
Oh, there is California in Vietnam?
No.
Oh. Oh, where is California? Where can we see California if you know? We can see California in what? What country? It is
What
in
is that?
it is in the United
It's
States.
in, no, it is in the south Vietnam.
Sour Vietnam.
And
Have
it
you gone?
is in the South America.
Okay, let's practice your word. Let's say southern. Southern.
Sour
Sa
America.
okay,
North America. Asia. Europe.
wow.
October.
Okay, one more time. Let's practice this word. Let's practice it slowly. Let's say southern. South
Sour.
southern.
Sour.
No, southern. Southern. Let's try it. Southern. Northern. Very good,
Northern.
Nam. It's not sour. It's southern, northern,
North.
nor.
Northern.
Yes, very good, Jang. Very good.
North.
Northern,
Sour Korea.
South Korea, South Korea.
Pizza.
Yes. Oh,
Yes.
later we are still not finished with our lesson because you are not answering my question. But let's practice these words. Let's say southern, northern.
North Korea.
North Korea, very good. North Korea. Wow, you know these countries very good. So I can see that you are familiar with these countries. Have you,
Vacni City.
what is that?
Vacni City.
What city is that? In Vietnam?
Yes.
Oh, how do you spell that one? How do you spell Vacni City?
Here.
How can you
I
spell that
don't
one?
know.
I don't know. How about you, Jang?
What is
Uh, y-
it? Eaters.
yes, Nam? K- Are you
This
speak
eaters.
are you speaking Nam?
Yes.
It,
Ina.
yes.
Ina. And right. We will play game, teacher.
Yes, we will play game if we finish the lesson. So we are still not halfway of
What
our
clock?
lesson.
This is eaters.
Okay, if you listen to teacher and we will finish the lesson, we will play
Okay.
bamboozle. Okay. So
Bamboo, 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 boom, 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 boom,
okay,
boom,
so
boom.
next. Let's go with our next one.
Rain. The rain.
Okay, let's say it in the complete sentence.
Is the rain.
It's the rain. Very good. And what can you see in the rain?
I see,
There is. What can you see?
water.
Very good.
Water.
Wow. Good job. I see water falling down from. What are these?
From
What do we call this?
the ground.
Very good.
Cloud.
So it's the cloud. Very good. It's the cloud.
It's
Ne-
rainbow.
it's rainbow. No, there is still no rainbow in this one. So the rainbow, so it usually comes after the rain.
It's only
Yes.
rainbow.
What?
It's only rainbow.
What? Okay, now teacher has another question. So do you like to play outside when it is raining? Yes or
Yes,
no?
I want to play outside rain.
Wow, very good. How about Nam?
Do you have a choice?
What?
Do you have a choice?
Do you have a toys? Yes, I have a toy.
I don't play Lego now. Teacher, do you
You don't
have a
play?
baby?
I don't have a
I
baby.
play.
Teacher is still
I have a two
young.
baby.
You have a two
I
baby?
play yes.
You're too young to have a baby. What did you say, Nam? Can you tell it to teacher again? Do you like to play outside when it's raining, Nam? Yes or no?
No.
No? Nam, do you like?
I like to play on the block.
You don't like?
I like.
Oh, okay. Let's say I like to play in the,
No,
I
I
like to,
like to play. I don't like to play in the rain.
oh, okay. So let's say I don't like to play in the rain. Very good. Good job. Next,
Because
battle
it's
blocks.
very well. It's very well.
It's very
Did you like to? Did you like to play lots of blocks?
battle blocks. What is
Did
that?
you like to play lots of blocks?
What is that? Where can we
Yes.
play battle blocks? Where can we play that one?
Oh, but you
What?
can see me. You can see me.
I cannot see you. I see a dog. I see a fox. It's not you. Okay, so next one.
We
Next
are.
let's go to our next picture. What is this?
It's rainbow.
Very good. It is
It is
rainbow.
rainbow.
Good job. When we say rainbow, so we can see
Rainbow.
this one.
What?
We can
The rainbow is small.
The rainbow is
It's rainbow.
small. Very good. So we can see the rainbow
You see
af
orange, red,
after the
orange,
rain.
yellow, green, sky blue, purple.
What is the color of this one?
It's
These
red,
two.
orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
Very good. Wow. So it is Roy G. B. So red, orange, blue, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So
Violet.
good job. What
Look
is
at
your
this.
what
This.
what is that? What is
My
your what is your favorite color in the rainbow?
favorite color is black. No.
Black. Oh, it's not in the rainbow,
No,
but you're
it's red, orange, yellow, green, sky blue, and it's purple.
this one is violet. This one is indigo. Red, orange, yellow,
So,
green, blue, indigo, and violet. Okay, so very good. So we have 7 colors in the rainbow. So next, what do we call this animal?
a bunny, a bunny.
A bunny, very good. And what is a bunny?
A bunny,
A
a
bunny
bunny.
is
Big,
it big or small?
big. Ma, it's in a computer.
It's in the computer,
The
yes.
bunny lives
The bunny is in the
The bunny
computer.
lives in computer.
The bunny live in the computer. And is it small or big rabbit? It is a small rabbit. Okay, so next.
Poop, a
What
poo poo.
a poo poo. What do we call this season? What do we call this season? It's the what do we call this season?
So many poop in my computer.
Okay, now let's focus on the lesson. What do we call this season? It's the spring. It's the
Spring.
it's the spring. Let's say it. It's the spring. Later. Because you are not listening. You are giving me poops. Okay, what do we call this season?
I see spring.
It's the spring. Very good. And what can we see? What can we see in the spring?
We see. I see I see flowers.
Birds.
Sun.
I see flowers, birds, sun.
Sun.
How about this one? What animal is
Fish.
this? This is
Butterfly.
butterfly. Very good.
Butterfly.
Good job. And what do we call this?
Red.
And the rain. Very good. So now, let us play the bamboozle for us to review. What have you learned in our
Yay!
lesson today? Okay. But next time, so teacher will not play the game if you will not
Learn
listen.
a spring.
Okay? Okay, so now let's
Oh, I want to play. Teacher, why put down? Oh, teacher, 24. Yes.
24. Okay.
No, teacher, class.
What?
Class. Class.
Classic quiz.
Yes.
Okay, sige.
No.
Okay. Ano?
Class. I
Class,
want it.
Classic Junior?
I want I.
This one. With,
Okay. One number 9.
okay, wait. Let's have your team names. Who is the team one?
Team 6-7.
What? Chat,
Team
can,
6-7.
can you chat your names? Chat your
67.
names.
67.
Is your
Team
team.
Rolando.
Team Rolando, okay.
Okay.
Team Rolando and
Team
Team
67.
67. Okay.
Team 67.
Okay, let's go with Team Rolando. What is the number? 23. Okay. Oh, what are the names of these flowers?
Oh, I got to check.
What are the names? Hmm.
A tulip. Tulips.
How about this one?
Tulips. A tulip.
How about the other flower?
Daffodils.
Okay, good job, Team Rolando. So it's tulips and daffodil. Good job. So next, let's go with Team 67.
One number 9.
Number 9. Okay. What's this?
Rainbow.
What is this?
Rainbow. It's
It
rainbow.
it is a rainbow. Very good. So next,
I choose
number 6. What are those colors? What are the colors that we can see in the rainbow? Nam, I can hear you. I cannot hear you. Can you speak louder? Red? Can you try speaking louder? Teacher cannot hear you. Red? What is the next color?
red, orange, yellow, green, blue,
What is the color? Nam?
red, orange, yellow, green, Sky blue.
Are you sure with sky blue? Is
No.
is is it blue, sky blue or indigo? This
This
one.
color.
This one is color
Indigo. No,
bear.
no. This.
It's this. Very
This
good.
is indigo.
Very good. How about this one? What color is this? This
Sky
is
blue. Sky
is it
blue.
sky blue or only blue?
Sky blue.
Are you sure? Final answer?
Only blue.
Okay, very good. So we
No.
have
Oops. Oops.
red.
It's not indigo and violet.
It's indigo. So we can see.
Oops. Oops. Oops.
No. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So good
It's
job.
not
Next,
one
team
number three.
six, number 3. What animals are this? What animals? It's these are
Are birds.
okay, very good. These are birds. Good job. So next,
Team 13, 6, 17, 6, 7.
16. This one?
18.
This one?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Is it big or small rabbit?
It's not rabbit.
Very good. Bunny is a small rabbit. Good job. So
My
next,
number 1.
number 1. What's this?
It's a ball.
It is a ball. Very good. Good job. So next now, Team Rolando.
Choose number 11.
11.
Now choose number 10.
Oh, 10.
10.
Oh no. Oh no.
Number
Number
5.
5. What are they riding?
The bikes.
They are
They are riding the bikes.
very good. So let's check if your answer is correct. Very good. They are riding. Next, next Team Rolando, you can do it.
Choose
What
number 18.
18?
18.
This one?
I just, yes. Yes.
Okay. Oh, 2 points. Very good. Next,
I want number 4.
number 4. What's this?
It is rain.
It is rain. Let's check.
Yeah.
Very good. Next,
25.
next Team Rolando. You can do it.
Number
11? This one?
Number 11.
This?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What are these? These are what? These are
Tulip.
what do we call them?
Tulip.
Starts with letter F.
Tulip.
Are you sure it's yes, it's tulips. And what kind of thing are they?
Flower. Yes. Flower.
Okay, let's say these are
Teacher.
what?
Flower.
Okay, let's say it in a complete sentence because your answer will be
It's a
incorrect.
flower.
Okay, very good. These are
It's a
flowers.
flower. I
Next,
want number 2.
2. What are these?
These are bikes.
Very good. These are bikes.
Yay,
Next,
turkey.
you can do it now. You can
I
still
like it. 14.
14, this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, 4 points. Very good. You can
What
still do
number?
it now. Number 8?
Yes.
Okay. What are these?
They are flowers.
Very good. These are flowers. Next.
35.
Next, Nam.
I just number 21. No, 7.
7.
7. Yes.
Okay. How many birds are there?
There are 3.
There are 3 what?
3 birds.
Very good. There are 3 birds. Good job. Next.
Tito, what about you see? Number 15. What number 15?
15. Okay. What's this?
It is a bird.
This? This
It is
is?
a bird.
Okay, let's check if this is. Very good. This is a bird.
30.
Next. Next, Nam, you can still do it. We have a lot of numbers.
I took number 10.
12?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, win 2 points. Wow, very good.
What
Next,
number 24?
24. Oh no. Okay, next Nam.
Choose number 21.
21?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, how many colors are there? What? There are?
There are 7.
There are 7. So let's check if your answer is correct. Very good. There are 7.
Number 30. 30.
13? This one?
Yes.
Oh no. Oh no, you can do it. You can do it. It's okay. Next, let's go Nam.
Choose number 17.
17?
Yes.
Okay. Well, how many bikes are there in the picture?
2 bikes.
There
There
are?
are 2 bikes. 2 bikes.
Very good. There are 2 bikes.
20.
Number
20.
20. Okay. What animal is this?
It is bunny. Bunny.
Bunny. Very good. It's a bunny. Next. Okay, we only have 2
Choose number
numbers.
19. 19.
Number 19. What kind of ball is in the picture?
It's basketball. Basketball.
It's?
Basketball.
Okay, let's check. Can you say the complete sentence again? It's?
It's a basketball.
Very good. It's a basketball. So next.
22.
Okay, our last number. What's this?
It's a ball.
Okay, let's check. Very good. Good job. Oh no. Team Rolando. Wow.
Play.
It's okay. You did.
Play. Play more
Yes.
game.
Okay, let's try to play a spelling here. Let's have a spelling game.
Amazing.
What's this one?
Amazing. I want amazing.
You want?
It's amazing games.
What
I don't know
game?
this game. Roster. Roster. I want roster.
What's that? Let's find something that is connected with spring. Let's check if there are spring. We cannot do this one.
Play.
Wait.
No.
Wait.
No. No. Hey,
Oh.
let's play.
Can we play about that?
We have. We no.
Oh, okay, this one. I think you can do this. Okay, so let's have two teams.
Cluster. Cluster.
Junior, classic junior.
Yes.
Okay,
I want.
team.
I
Let's
want team one.
okay, let's go with team one for Jang
No,
because
team down. Team six. Team Brando. No, team.
Yolanda. Okay, so let's switch your team right now. Team
Team 6-7.
6-7. Okay, it's
Team down.
is
Team down.
team. Okay, it's okay now. Okay, let's start with team
I
67.
want number 2.
2. What's this?
It is an ant.
Okay, let's check. Very good. Wow, next.
I got 3.
Number
7.
7. What is this?
It's a rainbow.
It's a rainbow. Let's check. Very good. Next.
I want number 4.
Number 4. Okay, what is this?
It is a butterfly.
It's a butterfly. Let's check if your answer
Choose
is
number.
correct. Very
Choose number
good.
16.
15?
16.
This one? 16?
Yes.
What is this?
Bug. Bug.
In a complete sentence, it's a
Peter and that.
it's a what?
Can help. Can help.
What is this? It's a
Letter. Bug. A bug.
oh no. Is it a bug? Yes, it's a bug, but this is
A beetle.
a beetle. No. We discussed this one before in the rainforest animals. I think it's in rainforest animals. We discuss about beetle. So no.
Hey.
Number 3. Oh no. Oh no. Next one, Team Rolando. What number, Team Rolando? Number
Oh, I choose number 15. 15.
15. Okay, 15. Oh, what is this?
It's a bee.
It's a
Bee.
bee. Let's check. Very good. Good job. Next. Number 12.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, what is this?
It is a sun.
It is a sun. Let's check. Very good. Next. Team Orlando, number. Number? What number?
Number 1. Number 1.
1. Okay, let's go with number 1. What is this?
It's an umbrella.
Are you sure? Final answer?
An umbrella. Rain, rain, rain.
What is your final answer?
It's
It's
rain, rain,
it's
rain.
complete
No,
sentence.
it is raining.
It's
It's raining. Raining.
okay, let's check. It's an what is this? Okay, so we will go with no. So Nam is correct. Nam is correct because it's first it's number 8. 2 points.
Yay!
Next. What number, Nam?
I choose number 10.
10. Okay. What is this?
It's a cat. Cat.
It's a
I want to cat. I want to cat.
chat?
No. No, I want to cat.
What is this? No clues. It's
I
a
want to cat. I want
no
to cat.
no chat. No, 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 chat. What is this?
Tito, let me see.
It's, let's look at this. It has a shell. What is, what animal has a shell? It's, hmm, what is this now? It's a,
No,
it's a,
no, no.
let's answer incomplete sentence. It's a complete sentence.
No,
Com- i- in a complete sentence. It's a,
no,
very good. Good job.
no,
We will
oops,
so we will always answer in a complete sentence. Okay, not only word. Okay, okay. Next.
six.
Six. Okay. What is this?
No, I want number five.
No, we will not switch.
It's a repettus.
It is?
A repettus.
Can you spell? Can you spell that one?
R
Or
no, I don't know.
or final answer? That is your final answer? Do you want to check?
Yes.
Oh no, it's a grasshopper. Don't you know grasshopper? So we can see it also in spring. So next.
Tita, oh,
Oh no,
oh,
it's okay, we will minus the points. So this is not the points.
no,
How can we
no.
minus that? Oh, it cannot be. But it's okay. So it is not the points of Jang. Number? What number?
Yeah. Five.
9?
Number five.
What are these?
Five.
What?
It's Ali.
It's a leaf.
This, no, this Ali. Nothing is, it is Alice.
What
Oops.
what will be the
Oops.
answer?
Oops. 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 No. Nothing, no. No.
Oh no,
Yes.
what? Because these are leaves. But this
I
is not
want number 14. 14. Yee!
this this your points is 10, 9, 8, 7, 7. So your points is still 10. Your points is still
Yeah.
10 because teacher
13.
number
13. 13.
13.
A tree.
It's
Tita,
a
why? Duck is, duck cannot.
junk score is only 10. Teacher just teacher just what do you call that? Push the wrong button. So Jung's points is 10.
Yeah.
It's
A
a
tree.
3. Very good. So 10 for Jang only. Next, Jang.
One number.
Faster. We
One
don't have
number 11.
11. What's this?
It is it is
Oh no. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And what is this? Oh
button.
no. Last one. Oh no. Okay, so the winner here is Jang. So, wow, good job to all of you. So, thank you so much for attending this lesson and see you again soon. Teacher has another question. Another class.
Something but you plan.
Bye bye.